Hey guys, Adam here at DirectionTrader.com. Let's do a trading room recap for the 4th of June here, guys. All the action today was in the Russell. Took 4 trades in the Russell this morning. Ended up being a break-even day, but you're going to see some of these setups and you're going to be like, wow, I left a lot on the table because I kind of did. But starting out here, let's look at the daily bar chart here, guys. This is a daily chart here of the Russell, daily bar. What we're looking at here is a lot of chop sideways, guys. I've talked about breaking out below the accumulation lows in order for swing term longs, and the same thing for the swing trade short and swing trade long. But as of right now, as far as an intraday basis goes, just taking momentum trades intraday, small scalps, and going with the intraday momentum and using the dollar for a correlation to be on the right side of it. As you can see, this green candle right here, that happens to be yesterday's bar. Today we opened up and we were starting to push up. As we opened right in this area, we started to push to the upside. And as you see, the previous day's high here, the high of this wick, comes at the 93 level. Sorry, that line's a little crooked, but it comes right here at the 93 level. That's significant because you're going to see how in pre-market I kept talking about the 993 level. 993, that happens to be this previous day's high. So anything above it, I wanted to buy it. Anything below it, I'm going to sell it. That's it, period. And as I move over to my intraday charts, guys, let's move over and look at some intraday charts. You're going to notice that happened exactly. Over here I got a 21 range and then I got a 233 tick. Here on the 21 range, you're going to notice I had a channel drawn before the market. This is all done pre-market. So this little spike up you see right now, that happened during today's trading session. So we're in a channel down, guys. We have previous highs here. Guess what that is? 993. That 993 I was talking about just a second ago. And then we have previous resistance up above here at 995 half. 995 half, guys. So 993, let's go back to that. As the market opened up, you can see it pushed up here, guys. It pushed up here nicely at the open. I was not able to get any of this move up. Had a nice push up, so guess what? As it pulled back, you'll see I wanted to take the pullback. Now, where did I take the pullback at? You see right here, 993, 993, 993 was the pullback area. Guess what I did? I took a pullback at 993, took a couple contracts long for +5 and break even for a +5 on that here at 6:43 in the morning. Pull back to 993, look to continue to the long side, so we broke, pulled back, and I wanted to continue to the upside. That did not happen. We got this thing to start rolling down. So guess what we're doing next? Market sells off with some speed. We have some speed on this sell-off here, guys. Get below, what number? 993. 993. Sure enough, what do? I short. I shorted at 658 for 2 contracts. No, I messed up here, guys. When I went short, I usually do a +10 and then a runner. I put both I went short 2 contracts. I put both contracts here at +10. So I ended up getting a full fill at +20 almost instantly, guys. It went in my direction almost instantly. So I got +20 on it and got out of this trade a little bit faster than I wanted. Realistically, I wanted to do a +10 for the first contract and then a runner. Down here, I was calling out 990 for everybody in the room. So a lot of guys in the room that took this position, they were able to get the 990s, which got you a little bit more of a move, guys. So originally I meant to go +10 and then 990 for the full target, which would have been 37. But it's part of it. I messed up. I put both orders out at +10, which made it a +20 for 2 contracts, which is fine. It's part of it, guys. You're going to have that set up. And then it started to chop down, guys. As it was chopping down, the dollar was selling off as well. The dollar was selling off as well, so I was confident in going short. Even though we're going a little bit against our trend here, if you're a member, you're going to notice, hey, why is he going against this trend? I do take counter trend every so often. I just know my percentages go down. Then I took a full swing, high to low. Imagine this, halfway back of this swing, guess what it fell at? 993. So 993 has been the level all morning. It's been this magic level, and guess what else it is? It's the level that got us back down inside of our channel. So I went short here. You're never going to believe this, guys. I went short here, being that it was counter trend and such an aggressive move here. I was looking for a position trade, and I called 986 as my target. I got short here, one contract, not two, guys. One contract, looking for the full swing, all in, all out. Got short here, and I got stopped out to the tick at 10 ticks, guys. I got stopped out to the tick just in time for this thing to run down and definitely get down low enough for my 986 level. You're going to notice I did not get it, guys. I took minus 10 on this whenever this thing ended up running 70 ticks in our direction. So it's part of trading, guys. It was a little bit rough this morning. You see here, I only took 20 ticks out of this when it was definitely a 40 tick move. The one to the upside was managed properly, so I'm very grateful for that. But then it did roll over, and I was able to take 20 ticks on this, putting out the wrong order. And then on this one here, I actually took minus 10 whenever this thing went ahead and filled my 70 tick target. So, oh well, guys, right? It's part of trading. I stuck to my rules. I was able to follow my plan and get a little bit out of this. Now let's move forward. I forgot I had one more position here, guys. At 820, I took another short here, two contracts. I got stopped out. We had the dollar starting to turn sideways, so I actually got stopped out of this, guys, for minus 15. It ended up going in our direction. This is another one of them that just, guys, I have a video out there. It sounds like I talk about this a lot because I've had this issue here over the last couple weeks of being right at the wrong time. I've had 10 stop outs to a tick or minus one tick stop out. So I've been stopped out to the tick or minus one 10 times in 2 weeks, which is significant for me. That's quite a bit, guys. That's leaving a lot of money on the table. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to keep watching these markets, make sure that I have my stop right. Now, if things start getting a little bit too volatile, I'll understand I need to increase my stop order just a little bit, but this is another example. I got minus 10 on a 70 tick move here, guys, a little bit rough. And then this one here, I got minus 15 on what ended up being a nice push, but I was not able to catch that, guys. So being right at the wrong time, not by much though. So today was a little bit of a stressful day as far as us leaving things on the table, but like a baseball pitcher, we need to just let that thing go, let it go, guys, and know that our trading plan is here to work out. So that's what I did for the day. As you see, I literally went 25 ticks right out of the gate and then gave 25 ticks back. So break-even day, plus 5, plus plenty for 25, minus 10, minus 15 for minus 25. So I had a complete break-even day, guys. 0 in, 0 out. Took 7 total contracts on the day. So that's it for me. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and write me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, and you're not a member, come by the website at directiontrader.com and take a trial. Come watch us trade these markets live. That's it for today, guys.